issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 3 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Ocean Ridge, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Ridge, Delray Beach, High Palazzo, Highland Beach.
Oh my goodness!
South Palm Beach, Manalapan, Briny Breezes, Gulf Stream, Hillsborough Beach, Palm Beach, and
I am
Deerfield
recording.
Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. Significant weather advisor from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 3:30 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Palm Beach shores, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Palm Beach, Jupiter, Jupiter Inlet, High Palazzo, South Palm Beach, Jupiter Inlet Colony, Tequesta, North Palm Beach, Juno Beach, Palm Beach Shores, and Manalapan. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The tropical weather outlook.
Second one today.